How to deposit money on IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are learning how you can easily deposit some money on IQ option using your desktop or laptops. First of all, open up IQ option app on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the deposit button at the top right corner in green. Now, click on the top of your account button and then select a payment method you'd like to use in order to top up the money. You can use Skrill, Visa or MasterCard, or wallet.com. I'm just going to select Visa/MasterCard option. On the next page, select your currency and then click Next. Now, enter the amount you'd like to deposit on your account from the options. I'm just going to select $100. Now, if you've got a promo code, type it down in this text box over here. If you don't have it, you can skip this and go to the card number tab. Enter your card number for your Visa or MasterCard, the expiry date, and the card holder's name. You'll also need to enter the 3-digit CVC code. Once you are done, you can choose to save the card for future instant payments or not, and then check on this little accept the terms and condition box and finally click on deposit. If you have your credentials correct, you'll be able to deposit money instantly on your account. So that is how you can easily deposit money on IQ option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.